Welcome to Academy of Learning Career College North York campus. Are you passionate about technology and looking to turn your interest into a rewarding career? Our program is designed to equip students with the essential skills to excel in the world of personal computers. In this program, you'll gain comprehensive knowledge of computer hardware and hands-on experience in troubleshooting and assembling PCs. We also prepare you to confidently take the CompTIA A plus Network Plus and Server Plus certification exams, which are highly respected in the IT industry. Whether it's diagnosing hardware issues or building a computer from scratch, you'll be ready to tackle real-world challenges. Upon graduation, you'll have a wide range of career opportunities, from working as a bench technician in PC repair shops to roles in large manufacturing companies. And with experience, you could even start your own computer repair business. Embark on this exciting journey today and shape your future in the thriving tech industry. Contact us at 647-494-5544 or email us at info@aolccnorthyork.com.